Hi, my name is Bruce Guthrie, and I'm directing this production of Man to Man by Manfred Karga and a new version by Alexandra Wood for Wales Millennium Centre, Cardiff. Well, I felt very strongly that that this should be a new version of the text. There are existing versions of the text in English, but none of them have been written by a woman, and I thought that it would be interesting to see how different or not that might make it. And also because it's a first co-production between South Bank Centre and Wales Millennium Centre.
Hi, my name is Margaret Ann Bain, and I play Ella in this version of Man to Man by Manfred Karga. It is like strapping yourself into somebody else's brain and just going on that roller coaster ride with them for whatever it's going to be, an hour and 15 minutes, and having your mind changed at the speed of their thought, which is just incredible. And because of that, obviously it's very energetic. So we're doing a lot of circuit training in the morning. I did a couple of months of yoga in order to get ready for the role, just to improve fitness and flexibility. And as you can see, the kind of mock-up that we have of the set is it's kind of a playground for us to play with. So we're sort of throwing ourselves around, hanging off of strops and finding different and interesting shapes, because we're not limited by this being a naturalistic play, as Bruce has already said. This is somebody's memories. This is how they process that context. And so we can really do anything that we want, which has been the challenge, but also been incredible fun. So it's just trying to keep up with a level of fitness that allows me to throw myself into that.
We've been working with Alexandra Wood, who's an award-winning playwright, who I think has done a wonderful job on this version of the text, because Manfred had written it as a modern German fairy tale, and having read the other versions of the text, I didn't necessarily feel that was the strongest flavour in them. They were very good, don't get me wrong, they were great, but I think that what Alexandra's managed to do is capture more of an essence of that fairy tale in this piece, which gives us a tremendous amount of freedom to be able to say, well, there are fairy tale aspects within it. It gives you a whole different kind of world to explore within the play, and allows us to take liberties that you wouldn't necessarily be able to take if we were doing this as a naturalistic piece.